What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to show you 7 ways that you can make money online. All these methods, you don't have to do any PayPal surveys, any watching videos. These are legit ways that you can make money online. And I've done every single one of these methods to make money online. I know a lot of you, you may not have a job right now. You may be looking for extra income. So, I want to create a video, like a legit video where you're actually making good money. Guys, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm going to show you my favorite way to make money online, and you can make it passively. If you are brand new to my channel, guys, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing. But I have a ton of videos on how you can start an online business, how you can make money online, and of course, how you can grow your following on YouTube and TikTok. So if you guys want to learn more, please subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. All right, let's go ahead and get started, guys. So the first method is something I've actually talked about before, but this is still one of my favorite methods if you don't have any money at all, okay? The first one is being a user tester, okay? Now, this is a great way to make money because all you do is you're basically testing, softwares, apps, websites to make sure they work, okay? So for me, as a funnel creator, a website creator, I need people to test the website to make sure that it works right. And if I get a ton of people to test it out and I find that it's broken, that's really good information for me. I need to know if that website or that software works. So you can be a user tester. If I go to get paid to test here, you can see that they're paying. Let me see. They have $10 for every 20-minute test that you complete, right? So you can essentially earn up to $30 an hour, which is really good, right? You can do this. All you got to do is sign up, take the test, and you get paid. And I believe they pay to PayPal, okay? So the first one is usertesting.com, and this is, to become a user tester. Now, another website, I've actually never used this website before, but this one is called Userlytics. It's similar to user testing. I've used user testing myself, but I've never used this one. But I heard this one was really good as well. Same thing though, you're just testing websites, testing software, and you're making money. So if you go over here to tester sign up on the right, then you'll go to this website here. You just sign up and you can see here, once the test results have been approved, depending upon the user test, you can get paid $5, $10, $15, $20 on some accounts, and some projects pay as much as $90. So I've actually never used this one myself. So let me know, if you tried this one or user testing, if you want to become a tester. So that's the first one, guys. The next one, the next job to make money online is to become a freelancer, okay? So this one's really easy to do. All you got to go is you just got to go to Fiverr.com, and there's going to be there's so many things you can sell, okay? So if you're a freelancer, you just basically sell your skills, right? So for example, if you go to writing and translation, right? There's article and blog posts, there's translation, proofreading, resume writing. So you can literally take any of your skills or just something that you like doing and you can sell it on Fiverr. So for example, if I go to, let's just say, proofreading and editing, there's a ton of people that need their stuff edited, right? So for example, let's just go to this first one here. I will design, edit, format your Word document. So, you can do this for, $10, $20, $15, whatever you want to charge, right? And the cool thing about being a freelancer, you're just selling what you like doing. That's really all it is, okay? And, it's a great way to make money, right? I mean, you can't start a business as a freelancer. I guess you can, but this is kind of the fastest way to make money online because you can just sell your services, right? If you're a digital marketer, if you're a video editor, if you make photos, graphics, anything like that. But you can see here, just to become a proofreader, $15 here, $25, there's different packages, okay? I'm going to go back here. Let's just say you want to do digital marketing or graphics. Graphics is really, kind of the fastest way you can make money as well if you're good at designing graphics, right? So you can go on here and sell your graphics for $45, $50, $120, whatever you think that you can charge, right? Whatever your skill set is, okay? So that's the first one, guys. Or the second one is become a freelancer. Now there's another website that I like better, actually. It's called Upwork.com, and this one's going to be similar to Fiverr, but you can get paid a lot more money. So when I go to get a freelancer, I actually go to Upwork because I feel like I can find more quality work. And something that you can do on here is if you go to find jobs and just do VA, so virtual assistant, you can charge to be a virtual assistant, right? Like a lot of people are looking for people to run their business, right? So for example, you get charged $9, $10 an hour, up to like $30 an hour, right? Depending on your skill set. So virtual assistant's a great way to make money. People are always looking, especially now because a ton of people have online businesses. So you can see here, you can be a VA, right? At $15, $20 an hour, $13 to $25 an hour. If you're in the United States, right? It really depends on where you're from. So that's the second one, guys, is become a freelancer. The next one is one of my favorites. It's actually create a course, okay? So if you go to a website called udemy.com, you can actually throw a course up here. And the cool thing about Udemy is they actually promote the course for you. They do all the marketing, all the stuff that, you know, a lot of people get bogged down with, right? If you're not a good marketer, if you don't like marketing, then Udemy does it for you. And I actually have a course on Udemy. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. But basically, you know, let's just say you want to learn, you know, how to cook, right? So you can go to Udemy and you can find like hundreds of thousands, I think even millions of courses on anything, right? So you can see how to cook. There's a bunch of bunch of courses here, you know, $12, $13. And like I said, they actually promote it for you, which is really cool. So, you know, you can make a course in a week if you really want to, and then you just have that ready to go. Now, the cool thing is, like I actually created a course, I'll just show you here, not that long ago. It's about ClickFunnels. You can see I have over 3,486 students, right? This is my course that I created, okay? Now, I added this on Udemy. This is my stats right here. And what's cool is that, you know, I charge $10 for it or whatever, and they do all the marketing for you, right? They take a cut from that, but that's okay because they do all the marketing for you, all right? The next one, which is kind of cool, this is like if you still want to do a course, is a website called Skillshare.com, okay? The cool thing about Skillshare is it's similar to Udemy, as you know, you're still making a course, but the difference is now you're getting paid per minute of people watching the course, right? So, for example, on Udemy, you're just paying for the full course. But on Skillshare, you know, if you have a course of an hour, you're getting paid per minute that people watch the actual course. So it's a cool kind of different type of a course program here, okay? Now what I would do is I would just put it on both, right? I would put a course on Udemy and on Skillshare and see what where you make more money, right? You just have to upload it to both. So that's what I recommend. That's the next one. That was the next one, guys, is creating a course. Really, you know, this is something that'll pay you passively, which I love doing, okay? So creating a course is something you guys need to do. Whatever it is that you have to offer, right? You can create a course on literally anything. All right, the next one, guys, is called Clarity.com. This is cool because you're basically selling your advice, okay? So you can go to Clarity and find these experts, okay? So if I go to find your expert here, it's gonna take me to, you know, where you can find certain experts in anything, right? Business, technology, sales, and marketing, funding, whatever it is, right? So if I go here, I can say, you know, let's just say I'm looking for someone to help me with sales and marketing, right? If I need help, right? So I go over here and I can say, you know, trade show marketing, $2 per minute. Facebook mobile app installs, okay? I can pay these people per minute for advice, okay? And look at this, a lot. I mean, $16 a minute, that's a lot of money, guys. Like, if someone's on the call for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I mean, you're making a full-time income with this, right? And obviously, you got to have a skill set for this, right? You got to have something that you're good at. That way, you can give people advice. So, really cool website if you do have something that you want to you know, if you want to sell your information, right? Now, for me, I rather put this information in a course and make money passively, but this is just another way you can do it if you like talking to people, stuff like that, okay? So Clarity.com, you can sell your advice. All right, the next one, guys, is become a transcriptionist, okay? This one, actually, you can make a ton of money if you don't mind typing, if you don't mind actually getting on and doing the work. You can make a ton of money doing this. So Rev.com, I actually use it every single day for my YouTube channel, right? I make a YouTube video, I upload the video to Rev, and then they actually transcribe the video. That way it makes sense, okay? It's a very like 99.9% accurate transcription of the video. So that's because there's actual humans doing it, not just a machine. So if you want to like work for Rev.com, you just go to the bottom here and you just go to freelancers. You just click on freelancer. And it's going to take you to this website, and they pay pretty good amount. I forget the exact. Here we go. So 30 cents to $1 per audio minute, okay? And so if you want to be able to, you know, you basically watch a video, and then after that, you just type in, you know, the words. That's super, super simple, right? So you can make a ton of money with this. You're pretty much never going to run out of work because people are always looking to transcribe their videos, all right? Now, another website that you can use is Transcribe Me. Okay, this is gonna be similar to Rev.com. Same thing though. You're just transcribing videos or whatever it is. Okay, so this is another website that you can go. You just go to the bottom here and then look for Freelancer or work for them. I forget where it's at exactly. Let's see here. It's in there somewhere. But let's go to the next one, guys. So that's the next one is being a flipper. Okay, you can flip stuff and sell it for more money. Now, what I like doing, this is something I did when I was a kid. I actually made a lot of money doing this, okay? So you go to Craigslist.com and you scroll to the bottom and there's a place called free, okay? Right here where it says for sale, free, okay? This is actually really cool. If you're a hustler like me and you just get a bunch of free stuff and resell it, you're gonna make a ton of money. You can make as much as you want to make, okay? You can literally make a full-time income. Now, this does take a little bit of work. You have to go out and get the stuff and then resell it. But what you do is you go to the free stuff and you find free stuff, right? So for example, right here, there's a baby set. There's furniture. Now, I will tell you this right now, just from experience. When you sell furniture, or people are always looking for furniture, okay? That's going to always sell. You can turn around and sell furniture like 99% of the time you're going to sell it. Now, the only downside with furniture is you typically need someone to help you with it, unless you can, get something light enough where you can do it yourself, right? So that's up to you. Now, like I said, furniture is probably the best thing to sell because people are always looking for furniture. But what I do is I get the products that I think are gonna sell, like all these couches right here. You can literally sell these for probably $50 to $100 each. Okay. The only problem, like I said, the only downside is having you're gonna need some help in the truck probably. But okay, so you get this stuff, you get all this stuff, you put it in your garage, whatever, and then you put it on the Facebook Marketplace, and then you resell it, or you can even resell it on Craigslist, right? Facebook Marketplace is my favorite to resell because you can actually see who you're dealing with. And you can sell stuff fairly quickly, okay? So this is one of my favorite ways to make money, guys. Like I said, this is like for my hustlers out there, this is like, you actually do the work, down and dirty type thing. This is stuff I used to do, which is really cool. Now, the last way, guys, to make money is called affiliate marketing. This is my favorite way to make money. All the other stuff, you're pretty much trading time for money besides creating a course. But this is my favorite way because you don't have to create a course. You don't have to... You don't have to trade time for money. You don't have to do any of that, right? Basically, you're setting up a system that works for you passively. Now, let me explain what I do, okay? So you can go to a place like ClickBank and you can find a digital product, right? Let's just say a business product, a gaming product, a health product. Let's just go to health products right here. And I can pick a product that I want to sell. Now, the cool thing is this is digital, right? So I can pick any of these products, like a digital product, and I can now sell them online, right? And the cool thing is, like I said, I don't own the product. I don't have to deal with the customer service. I don't have to do any of that, right? So I can go over here and let's just say I want to promote this product. I hit promote, and then I have my own affiliate link where I can grab this link right here. And if I can, get people this link and buy, I can make passive income, right? Now, the way I do it is passive, okay? The way I make this happen is I create YouTube content and I make TikTok content, blogging, stuff like that, and I get people here passively, right? And that's what I teach, okay? So ClickBank's a great way to get started because you can get started right away, right? You can sell all these products literally right away. You just go to ClickBank, sign up for an account, and promote anything you want, okay? That's the cool thing about ClickBank. Now, the only downside is... with ClickBank is that a lot of these products may be oversaturated. So I like private products. So for example, one of the products I promote is called ClickFunnels. You can see here I've made a little over $10,000 with ClickFunnels. I like ClickFunnels because it's a monthly recurring revenue. So you can see here I'm making $1,300 per month every single month, no matter what, which is really, really cool. But ClickFunnels is one. It's a software that you get paid every single month. Another one I promote is a high-ticket course called Legendary Marketer. You can see here over $26,000 that I've made since I started this program. Now, I will tell you, I have over 20 passive income streams right now. Okay, so not only one or two, I have over 15 to 20. Right, here's another one right here. Here's my PayPal account. Okay, these are all affiliate products I promote. Okay, there's TubeBuddy, there's Edison, there's Bluehost. So you can see all of these companies are paying me passively. Okay, there's one, and here's another one here. Here's my Stripe account here, okay? So you can see in the last 3 months over $12,000 with other affiliate products, okay? So affiliate marketing is super powerful, okay? Like I have a ton of different income streams paying me. Okay, now how do you do affiliate marketing, right? So we have a 15-day challenge that teaches you from beginning to end how you can start this business. Now, the reason I love this business is because, like I said, you don't have to create your own product. You can literally get started right now. This is what I highly recommend if you're a brand new if you're trying to make money online and you want a passive income, this is what I highly recommend. So we have a 15-day challenge. This is it right here, okay? From beginning to end, day 1 to day 15, we're going to show you how to start your online business, okay? So it's going to be linked in the first link in the description down below, guys. Let me show you where it goes. So it's going to take you to this website here, just so you know exactly what it looks like, okay? So it's going to take you to this website. It's going to have a picture of me where you enter your email, and then from here you enter your email. It's going to take you to the next page here where we talk about the what the 15-day challenge is about. You click this video, you sign up for $7, and you're in. Okay, so really cool. I highly recommend that you do affiliate marketing. But guys, there's so many ways you can make money, guys. There's so many ways that you can start making money online. And for me, affiliate marketing is what helped me leave my electrical engineering job to do this full time. But if you need money, faster, you can do stuff like user testing. You can do stuff like a transcriptionist to make that faster money, okay? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. I hope this video was of value to you. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Shoot me a comment. Hit me up in my Facebook group at Passive Income Lifestyle. Subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to be coming out with videos almost every single day. We'll talk to you guys soon, and God bless.